What are the various means by which dawah can be done with non-Muslims?
The various means that today a person can use after science and technology has advanced is, one is giving dawah live, one-to-one basis, or giving a talk in public. That's a common way. But in terms of using means, we can use the print media. That is, print media is periodical, non-periodical. Non-periodical are booklets, literature, pamphlets. Periodical are magazines, newsletters, whether daily, weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, yearly. Besides print media, we have the audio media. You can use audio cassettes and CDs and TATs. You can use on the Walkman while walking. You can use in the offices. You can convey the message of Islam by giving lectures on the audio tapes, CDs, etc. It can be used besides on individual level. It can be used in offices. It can be used gathering, in parties, in functions. It can be used on the radio broadcast stations on a wider scale. The third is the video media, whether it be video cassettes, videotapes, CDs, DVDs. On the larger scale, whether it be the cable TV, whether it be the satellite channels. And the fourth is the internet or the information technology, through the website, through the emails. So these are, besides the individual dawah and the public lectures, there are 4 different means of doing dawah.
Okay. Jazakallah khair once again, Dr. Zakir.